Hello, my name is Diana. Welcome back to my channel. I have a really nice Shein haul for you today. I've gotten some really great items that I'm super excited to share with you. I bought several House of CB dupes and these are so good. And I even found a Selkie gown dupe that you're going to love. So let's get started. Everything I've shown in this video is linked down below with my sizing information in the description box. First, let's start off with these gorgeous earrings. I am going to Cancun this summer and I really wanted some fun accessories and I thought these would be so cute because they are starfish in their gold color. I definitely look, I think, better in gold jewelry than silver jewelry, but I think they come in silver too. It's like a little post back. I cannot wait to wear these in Cancun. Who remembers these from the 90s? I remember wearing these either in elementary school or high school, like in the early to mid 90s. These are all the rage. I think they have definitely made a comeback. I don't know why we ever stopped wearing these things. They're so easy. It's basically you can make a quick ponytail just by going like this and it makes your hair like a really pretty cascade. Let's start off with this cute summer top from Shein. I think it's absolutely adorable. It's one of those tie front tops that is so popular this season, I think because of the viral Ghani peplum top sleeves, except this does not have puff sleeves. It's just got two straps and two ribbon ties in the front. It does run a little short on the straps for me because I have broad shoulders, as you know, so it's a little bit like short here, but it still looks really good. One thing you have to know is that this is kind of see-through, but I wore pasties with this and it didn't look like, it wasn't see-through that way. But yeah, it is pretty see-through if you look at this material, but I just like it. It looks almost like a knit, but it's not. It is like transparent though. I mean, look at all those holes. So if you're worried about that, I wouldn't get this top, but otherwise it's really cute for summer and also for Europe. Who remembers my yellow dress from Zara that I ordered during my spring Zara haul? And yeah, remember how that dress was kind of a disappointment? Well, I saw this on Shein and it looks so similar. I had to give it a shot. It's actually really good. It is the same quality, I would say, as the Zara one for like a third of the price, I think. But it's a beautiful, I love the print. It's so similar to the Zara one, but this one has a slit on the side instead of like down the middle of one of your legs because it doesn't have that weird panel of fabric. You'll know if you saw my Zara haul video, but I returned that one because it was such poor quality and it was kind of see-through because it was, I think, 3 layers of the mesh fabric. This one is 1 layer of mesh fabric and then 1 layer of actual lining fabric. So on the one in Zara, it had 3 layers of mesh fabric and it looked unfinished because the slit they had down the side had the extra weird panel of fabric and the mesh fabric just didn't look like it was lining up well because it was cut. It's like a laser cut. You can't really like hem this type of fabric. But this one is so cute. It is very slightly ruched on the side seams and they actually sewed the lining onto the slit so that it makes a nice edge and it looks finished. The Zara, my biggest complaint about the Zara one was that it looked unfinished. The bust does run a little bit big on this. I have to wear a bra because it feels like it's gonna slip a little bit. It also doesn't have any kind of rubbery silicone here to make it stay a little bit better, but otherwise it's a great dress. I really like this neckline. It doesn't just cut straight across like a tube, but it makes a nice like U, upside down U, if you know what I mean. This style was super popular back in like Y2K, so I have tube tops in this shape, and tube dresses are really gonna be hot this summer. I feel like tube tops, tube dresses, all those are like on the rise this summer. It's a nice midi length, so it's perfect length on me. Gives you a really good hourglass figure. Really snatches your waist in. This dress is a total vacay vibes. It is one of those dresses that I guess ties in the front. It's a cross halter type dress. It's like a cottony material it feels like, but I'm not sure if it's cotton. I think it might be a mix. But the top is lined. It's got the outer layer and then the inside layer is lined with another fabric. The skirt, I believe, is also lined. Let's check. Yes. Oh, yep, the skirt is, wait. The skirt is also lined. I really like this skirt. The skirt is twirly and it'll look great in pictures, but mine came defective. Do you see this part? They messed up the, what is it called? The elastic on the waist. It just doesn't, oh wait, maybe I just fixed it. I'm not sure. It didn't sit straight for me, but we'll see. Let me try. I might try it on again, but it was kind of wonky for me, but I think I may just have fixed it by pulling it out. But this is, I think, an Erica Pena dupe. By the way, if you want the tea on Erica Pena, how they are like the worst company I've ever bought from, leave a comment down below if you're thinking about buying one of their dresses. But yeah, this is a pretty good vacation dress for the price. It is a little short. It's not quite a midi. It's not a midi and it's not quite a maxi on me. It hits me just above the ankles. So it's a little short to be a maxi and it's a little long to be a midi. So if you're shorter than I am, this would be a maxi on you. If you're taller, this would probably be a midi dress on you. But it does halter tie in the front, not see-through at all. I think this would be a good European summer dress as well. Also, I forgot to mention the straps are super long, so you can probably tie it multiple ways. So I would say you cross halter it and then like wrap it around your waist to really cinch it in. Or you could probably turn it into like a bandeau situation, which is what I've seen on the Erica Pena website with their dresses that look like this. But yeah, vacay vibes. Navy blue dress is such a good House of CB dupe. I don't know which dress it's a dupe of, but I've definitely seen this style. I love the ruffly front here. It has adjustable straps in the back, which I always appreciate as a broad-shouldered girly. The back is also like zip, it's a back zip, but it also has a bit of elastic on here. And the front is, it has these cups, the cup seaming detail, but there's no wire or underwire under in the cup, and there's no boning on this dress. House of CB dresses are kind of known for their boning and the corsets, but this dress has no boning in it. It does, however, have a really short, poofy skirt. So you've got this outer layer, and then you've got this tulle layer, and then you've got this lining layer too. So this tulle doesn't rub against your skin. That can be really uncomfortable. So it's actually quite a fluffy in the skirt. So if you're looking for kind of a European summer vibe, this is like your dress. It's so cute. I really love the color. I don't think I have that many dark navy or navy-ish dresses, so this is a definite keeper. This is a TikTok viral dress slash swimsuit cover up. This totally went viral. I think it's a mirror pilate dupe. It went viral all over TikTok. I saw it and I was like, oh, interesting. So of course I had to try it. It's definitely a swimsuit cover up because it is definitely completely see-through. If you have like a, I guess a tube undergarment or a tube underdress like that's nude, you could probably wear it with this. It's supposed to be off shoulder, has these three off shoulder straps. It's got all this ruffle detail. It kind of has a train. It's basically like yeah, it's got a train and it's got all this ruffle in the back as well, but like I said, completely see-through, has a big split down the middle front. And yeah, I'm just not sure the applications of this dress. Honestly, it's just a cover up for a swimsuit. I think a swimsuit cover up. I guess if you're going to Cancun or somewhere tropical, this might be fun to wear if you have a bandeau type swimsuit. I feel like this wouldn't look good if you have a halter tie type swimsuit or like a string bikini where you have to tie the neck. You'll see the lines, and I don't really like that. But it does run a little bit small in the bust. It's a little bit tight on me, but I think that's to help keep it up. Like the yellow dress was a little bit loose. This one's a little bit small. It does still fit on me and it actually feels quite secure. So I think extra small is probably the right size for me. But yeah, I could only see wearing this to the beach. I might try it on with the new tube top that I have if I can find it. Another House of CB dupe is this red one. I really wanted to love this dress. It looked so good on their website, and I was actually kind of shocked when I got it because the fabric looks like a costume to me. I just didn't love it. I feel like it looks, I don't know, it looks weird. It's not like bad quality fabric because it's actually quite thick, but I didn't love the fabric. The cut and the design are very, very similar to House of CB. So that part is good, and also ties in the back with a big bow. It doesn't fit really well though in the chest area because I think it's open back. I've read reviews though on the actual House of CB version. I think the House of CB version has the same problem. And also the skirt is really nice and full. It has that layer of crinoline or tulle. This tulle is more stiff than the blue dress that's a House of CB dupe, so it poofs out quite a bit, and then you have the lining too. So again, the skirt is 3 layers. It also has that very dramatic V in the front, and then these princess seams. There is no boning on this dress. It zips up in the back. The fabric does not stretch at all. It's a very stiff fabric. But yeah, I just don't like the shiny color. The reviews I saw on this dress looked great in the pictures, but I think it's because they're all of the pink dress. So you might want to try the pink version. It might be better than this one. If you saw my Zara haul video, you have seen this dress before. This is a rat boa Zara dupe. So the rat boa came out with the original dress in silk. It went super viral on Instagram, Pinterest. I keep seeing it everywhere. And originally I was shopping at Zara. If you saw that video, I found it in store and I bought it because it was so cute. It was like perfect. I've already worn it a couple of times. I love that dress. But then I saw this in a Shein. Oops. I saw this in a Shein ad and I just had to try it out. So the print is not exactly the same as the Zara one. It's just slightly different animal print. It's completely see-through. This is like, so the Zara one I think has multiple layers of the meshy fabric. This one does not. It is a single layer. I think, I wonder if you can see my face through here. But yeah, it is only a single layer of fabric, not lined at all. It's backless, so it ties in the back. It fits a little bit differently too. The Zara one is more of like an A-line skirt. This one is more of a like a mermaid shape. So we're talking like a mermaid flared out. So both, they're a little different, yet the same. I want to return this because I already have the Zara one, but I think I might keep it just because the shape is really different. And when I put it on, it just looks very, I don't know, it makes my shape really pop. It really gives me an hourglass shape, even though I don't really have any boobs. But yeah, you just, I don't know what it is about this dress. It just fits really well, especially if you have kind of a small waist. It just really emphasizes that for some reason. I don't know why. It is see-through though, but I think you can get away with nude underwear and like some pasties if you're going out at night. You may see through it with some like flash photography. I'm not 100% sure, but you know, I just want to let you know that it is see-through. Another way to wear this is to wear it as a bikini cover-up. I totally plan on bringing this to Cancun with me as a swimsuit cover-up to wear this summer. So if you're going on vacation somewhere tropical, you should definitely get this dress. The Zara one has been sold out online, I think, forever. And when I went back to Zara to return some stuff, that dress is completely gone. So this is a good option. Just know that it is see-through. This is another House of CB dupe. I think this is a dupe of their one of their more recent dresses. This dress is so cute. It is this pretty like cottony looking fabric. I don't think it's actually cotton. I'm not sure. I think it's a cotton mix, but it's so pretty. Look at the front details, the lacy straps, and the extra poofy skirt. Again, this one has no boning. The cups are there, but there's no like underwire under the cups. This is a small bust friendly. I am an A cup and this fit really well. So if you're part of the itty bitty committee and you've had the same problems with House of CV as I have with the bust being too big, this might be for you. It does zip on the side. Let me see. The inside has the outer layer. Again, this time it also has the tulle, but the tulle has this pretty like lace on the side, on the edge of it, and then another again under layer to prevent this part, this crinoline material from itching you. So it's a beautiful dress. The only thing I would say that's bad about it is the straps are not adjustable. I find them a little high for me. Again, wide shoulder girly problems. If you have a more narrow frame or your torso is shorter than mine, this will be a perfect fit on you. The back is not corseted. It actually just has a stretchy panel, so fit a variety of sizes. This bow though is not like, it doesn't gather the actual it doesn't run through this channel here. There's no channel. This is an elastic right here. And so you can't tighten this. It's just for decoration, this bow. But because the cups fit me, I don't need to tighten it. So this dress is so cute. I 100% recommend this dress. This might be the best House of CB dupe I've ever found, besides the original House of CB like Tallulah dress dupe that I've worn all over TikTok and Instagram and everything. So yeah, this is beautiful. Also, if you look at the back, this is why it's so poofy. They like did some sort of like seaming detail here. I don't know. They just added a bunch of fabric. If you look at how much fabric there is right here, that's like bunching together. And that's just because there's a lot of fabric in the skirt. Honestly, the House of CB dresses did this too when you're not wearing it, it bunches together because there's so much fabric. If you've ever wanted a Selkie dupe of the Ritz gown, this is it. I think it's called the Ritz gown. I can't remember off the top of my head, but Shein came out with a Selkie dupe that's actually pretty good for the price. I think this was like $40 or $50 on their website. It has the exact same details as the Selkie one that I saw. Same roughly, kind of like roughly neckline. You've got the puffy sleeves, and you've got this layer of like, I guess, what is this called? Organza, I think. And then it is lined. It's got how many layers on this? One, two, yeah, 2 layers. So it has the outside layer and then the lining. Well, the outside layer is basically see-through. So it's actually really good. It's super long, very flowy, great for, I think, pictures. I'm not sure if I would love this to go anywhere, but if you're going to something like the Bridgerton experience, this would be a great dress to wear. Again, there's no boning or anything. It zips up in the back. I will say it does run kind of small. I got this in an extra small, and I think I probably can size up to a small. It was a little tight, but it still fit, and it looks pretty good on, but I feel like I had a hard time breathing. For comparison, this is a, I think, $100 dupe of the Selkie Ritz gown. It's very similar, but this one doesn't have the ruffles. It might be a different gown, I'm not sure, but it is very similar. So it's more than double the price, I think, but as you can see, it's better made. The quality of fabric is better than this one, than the Shein version. The fabric is much heavier. There's a structure in this dress. There's actually boning, never mind. There's boning, it's lined on the inside. This looks like a real dress. I think this, if you're actually planning to wear it out and not just for photos, this is probably a better option. It's got the same frilly stuff and like layers of, it's just a huge dress. It comes with a train too. This dress is humongous. So I can't like show all of it to you, but it's basically humongous. I've worn this out several times and people are always like, it's so pretty. But it is kind of a pain to wear because it's got so much fabric on it. If you're going to the Bridgerton experience and you want to look like a princess, this is probably your best bet. I will link this one down below too if I can still find it. And that is it for this Shein haul. If you want to see more Shein dresses, definitely check out this video on my favorite Shein dresses. And if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. Bye.